Hey everyone, what is up? I am Rishabh and you are watching It's All Art. Today we are going to learn how to draw Gaara of the sand. If you like our videos, please subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's start. Materials required for our drawing are a mechanical pencil for sketching part, a cotton bud for blending, one 4B, 6B, 8B and 10B shading pencil, a 15cm scale and a black pen. The sketching part is already done, but don't worry, this is a complete drawing tutorial. Just watch till the end. Use the scale to measure the length of the eye from the picture. Then mark it with pen or pencil and start drawing according to the picture. Measure the length of the eyeball and mark it. Then measure the gap between both the eyes. Measure the distance between nose tip and the eye and mark it. You can also use this method for marking the hairs. Okay, repeat this measuring and marking method as many times as you want. If you are a beginner, this will help you to understand the distance and gap between every part of your drawing much better. But as always, I will recommend you to use a printout. As you know, this method is quite hard if you use your phone because you have to adjust the picture accordingly. Use 4B pencil and shade the lighter parts of the hair. Now blend it with cotton bud and use 6B and again blend it. Now use 10B. Use black pen for the border and for some darker parts. Use 4B pencil for the eyes. Now use cotton bud for the face and neck areas. Again use black pen for darker parts and 8B pencil for the lighter. Well, if you like our video, please subscribe and press the bell icon.